Okay, so this is part 3. Continuing from part 2, it puts a human into a center of production. As machines are becoming smarter, the work in productions will enrich the humanized way. So it makes the task simple, will disappear. Things like it's repetitive will disappear. So it puts a human into the center of the production or the moving forward. So the flexibility of key success is that it helps to place demands in terms of manufacturing complexity, problem solving, and self-organization. This will improve a work-life balance in a shorter response time. So with that, it also helps to sustainable growth. So all modern industries can run out and economies with it. So societies increasingly recognize globalization, job losses, and resources shortage. So in order to generate profit, realize growth, we have to put a more long-term perspective to be a sustainable growth, so that energy, resources, and in terms of environment, society will be more impactful. So as Industrial 4.0 is a smart, innovative production, it can reduce some energy consumption, helps to sustain business in assisting and new business model to create new technology and produce around the world. Right. So with that, what we are getting some benefits essentially for the Industrial 4.0 is it makes kind of the related industries logistics goes faster, more efficient, more customer centric. At the same time, going beyond automation and optimization, it detects new business opportunity and model. So there are several key benefits for manufacturing and transforming the way they works in the 4.0. So in short, it enhances productivity through optimization and automation. So the key of 4.0 is to save costs, increase profitability, reduce waste, automating and prevent errors, delays, speed up productions. The speed is critical, digitizing of a paper workflow, being able to intervene faster in the case of production issues. So from spending perspective, the number one in which the manufacturing invests their Internet of Things budget is the operation itself. So Industrial 4.0 offers various solutions to optimize assets utilization, smoother processes, better logistics, and inventory management. So Industrial 4.0 is also a real-time data for real-time supply chain in a real-time economy. So productivity improvement benefits about the internal goal and the cost process optimization. At this time, they also enhance the notion of customer centricity in the whole entire value chain with the manufacturing process operation. There are many stakeholders around it. So customers who wanted to know about productivity, enhancing their productivity, regardless where they are, where they sit in the supply chain, is beneficial. So with that, right, speed is just not a competitive advantage. If you don't have speed, you probably will lose out, and your customers expect it increasing in terms of real-time economy. So today I make something, tomorrow changes in the market, I may change, and this will kind of have a sign of alignment and a cost so to the whole value chain itself. So it is critical right now to have more data and information, so the data will then enable the supply chain, factory itself, alignment, and it's all about data exchanging, operating from operations to delivery to a product at the end of the customers and beyond. So the more data is generated in earlier, it will give more time, right, for it to prepare and analyze things, so that the metals move from one point to another point in a faster way as in the part of the supply chain. So there's one model called IME model, the referencing architectural model industry. So RAMI actually talks about three-dimensional model, has also a life cycle over value stream, has different layers of from businesses to assets. So RAMI reference architectural model Industrial 4.0 give us the critical information of the data that we want to see. So with higher business continuity through advanced maintenance and monitoring possibility. So when assets gets broken down, it needs to be fixed, involve time and of course resources. So people move around. So with higher business continuity, the ability to continue, the key industrial assets fail. It's just not the assets is broken, the production is broken, but the whole supply chain is broken. So on top of that, replacement, fixing of work, resources and costs can be damaged, so that the orders can be cancelled and several consequences could happen. So if assets are connected and can be monitored, issue can be tackled before they are even happening, with some patterns, data that you can optimize where it appear more often. So better quality product with real-time IoT enabled, better quality of cobots where customers want things to be faster, cheaper, and much in a cheaper way and a faster way, right? And of course better quality. So with sensors, software, and technology inside, the quality of product could be enhanced, and automation of a cyber physical system, CPS, robotics, IoT sensors to help when robots are not able to carry tasks, humans are needed, so that this one will come out of a cobot. So in terms of collaborative of robots, could put simply into collaboration, which that will be like industrial 5.0. So better working condition and sustainability between human and the industries, and more of the possibility that the human perspective and even environment are assets in the goal of 4.0. So improving working conditions in a real time, like temperature, humidity and other data in a plant, warehouse or building, quickly detect and enhance the protection of the incidents and detection of like gases, radiation, better communication, also enhance the possibility of ergonomics, cleaner air of factories and initiative which we want to kind of work on. So personalization is a customer's way or a new customers, a new look of a consumer, right? Digital tools has changed the way we work, live and shop. So the way we shop right now is very different from 20 years ago. Right now, customers have more demanding we require faster response, more information, timely delivery. So customers also like the degrees of personalization depending on the context. Sports, like sports shoes, for instance, only one color is available, but right now consumers want different colors, customization. Then consumer increasingly want possibility to have direct interaction with brands and manufacturing capability with digital platform and customized product. So a shorter route between production and delivery is possible to kind of co-create. So with that, personalization and customization for new consumer, it's not just consumer environment, but between B2B. B2B is business to business context at the beginning to happen, where even it is such as label, customized features, white labeling, and adapt characteristics of the product. To offer these services, right, the skill of turning into a very fast competitive advantage through automation will be key in terms of the necessity of this product. So for example, like a bank wanted specifically office equipments across the branches, it feels as part of the rebranding. So what it means is it has to be very customized, very individual, kind of focusing to the particular customers itself. So you have moved agility based on the competitive benefits and customization. Industrial 4.0 also provides the agility and scalability and flexibility. So no longer more on mass production, but the ability to move fast, ability to scale very fast and very flexible change. So in this case, the same scalability and agility expected in terms of support from the IT services, technology such as cloud in the environment. So mainly about leveraging technology like big data, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, fluctuation of production could possibly scale down and upscale in the adjustment that can pretty predictable and not predictable can be handled to increase visibility, flexibility, and a possibility of leveraging assets in the functions production requires for a time-to-time perspective. The development of the innovative capability is also a revenue model So digital transformation is a matter of many levels, steps, and capability. One can perform the processes in a way faster, customer service can enhance the skills, and at the end of the day is able to trap more information and assist sensibly, able resource into ecosystem and enable such innovation and capability. So in development, service as a capacity for customers, in advanced manufacturing can be new business. So in the